Hi everyone, this particular video today is for my two daughters, Dr. Jen Rosa Chen and my daughter Aneta Mom. I just want to appreciate you. I just want to say today has been my day 2 of working. I have a lot of energy, a lot of smile on my face, and the smile you see on my face has been put by you two daughters. And I thank God the sons have discovered that I've been hiding powerful daughters behind me that make me do what I normally do. And I want to insist that they must team up with you and make the family strong. You can see if I can leave Uganda when I was helpless, I couldn't move on my own. Now within just 2-3 days, I'm able to walk, I'm able to talk, and I'm able to do all those things that I ordinarily never used to do in the couple of days before I came in here. So, my daughters, I love you. Thank you for doing all that you have done for me. However much I work, I will never be able to pay you back. But God will. God has not forgotten. That is the promise I give you. And my family, none of you should call me when they are crying. Whoever wants to cry first, finish your tears, then you call me. If you need medical treatment, call my daughter Jen Achien. She will be able to treat you. If you need Marakwam, call Bugulobi. There will be Marakwam for you. But you must call me when you are strong, when you are smiling. And I want to greet my two brothers, Alfred and Lawrence. You're in charge of the Wara family or a dog family. Nobody is going to behave like a baby because you are now strong men, strong pillars in that home, and you must make sure everything is fine. And I want to thank you for everything that has happened. The rest of the days I'll be spending here, I'll be giving an update of whatever needs to be known. But for now, Doctor, there has been surprising discoveries which even we don't understand. Because this morning, they told us we have had issues with the functionality of the liver, but this morning we found it was okay. So I went through certain tests, more tests, and those are discoveries we were never anticipating. So I think volumes and volumes of prayers are being poured into the heavenly places, and the Lord has heard our prayers. God bless you.